viewers, welcome to Mojo for Industry. I'm Neha reporting from ACMEE 2025 and today we are honored to be joined by a highly respected industry leader, Mr. R. Prabhakar, the Director and Business Head of Taurus and the SPM division of AMG, also known as AceMicromatic Group. So welcome Prabhakar sir to Mojo for Industry again. It's a pleasure having you on our platform again. Sir, you've been associated with the AceMicromatic Group for decades now, and so how do you envision driving the next place of growth for Ace Designers Limited?
I am looking at the next growth of Ace Designers, both from the point of market and the product. When I say market, it is just not domestic, and it's going to be even the global markets. And our products are being accepted in the world. And so the growth is going to come one from the exports and also from the domestic market. Now, domestic market, the manufacturing is improving in a very big way, and we having a sizable presence in the market. We are improving the products or increasing the technological level of the product, and that will really support the current needs of the industry. That includes features like AI, IoT, automation, even to some extent of machine learning, a lot of softwares and mechatronic features in the machine, and that will support to the current sunrise industries like aerospace, defense, electronic manufacturing and so on. So the growth for Ace Designers is certainly going to come from both market and products, domestically and as well as the global market.
So even for MSMEs for that matter, right?
MSMEs, yes, we have products. See, MSMEs are very sensitive to costing.
Yeah.
So we give cost-effective products, and at the same time today they have challenges at the MSME level where they don't get the right labor, or the labor is very unpredictable. So we give automation solutions, and the products are optimized for MSMEs so that they also come into the mainstream.
So also last time when we spoke, Taurus revealed a redefined brand identity, right?
Yeah. Now Taurus are suddenly undergoing now the transformation process, and we have brought certain products which support this based on the need of the current industry requirement. And especially now customers have started asking SPMs especially for large volume production. And today what is happening in India, the large volume has started in a big way. So where customers are very sure about the products which will matter to them on the especially the cost per component, the technology, accuracy, lowering the labor cost, having less manpower, etc. So Taurus has supported in this, and we are going in a big way towards this direction. And that certainly that has helped us to bring in some new products which support this large volume production. Important lessons what we have learned in this transformation is again to offer products, not just a complicated project or a product, also have products which are lean, which are faster, which gives answers to the customer for that specific need. So we have built even the products which are de-featured.
Yes.
And that is our big learning, so that we offer a low cost or the right optimum cost products. And by that, that has also improved Taurus in its business and undergoing even the transformation.
So you just spoke about SPM. So how do such innovations reflect India's capabilities in import substitution and automation?
Yes, till now a lot of machines have been imported by especially the MNCs who have collaboration. Quite a few automobile companies who always thought India cannot make these kind of machines, and they have been importing this machine. Now quite a few customers have come to us, and we have made some certain projects or even the products that substitutes their SPMs which they have been always buying from their own countries. So this I would say certain products for automotive companies or for certain general engineering companies where there are large volumes which have been bought earlier. We have built it, and that has certainly helped in import substitution.
So some minutes back you just mentioned about the AI and integrating AI. So can you tell me with these increasing demands for automated and de-state solution, what role is AceMicromatic or Ace designers playing in integrating AI, vision systems and intelligent CNC programming into your machines?
Yeah. See, there are products, or especially the large customers who are quite keen in automating their production lines by reducing the labor cost and the manual intervention. So there they require systems like vision, the products that support artificial intelligence. So our own companies, be it the manufacturing company or our own sister company called AceMicromatic Intelligent Technologies, they deal in these kind of products of IoT, of AI,
Yes.
and they are given some even customized, and they have their own products which complement our products and give a complete solution to our customer, which supports on these features.
So Ace Designers is the larger part of AceMicromatic group, right? And you've spoken about the global ambition that you have to achieve. So how do you balance this global growth while catering to the evolving needs of MSMEs?
Yes. See, this is a little bit of a challenge, but at the same time, how we have done is we have focused product lines or focused groups. So the same product what we make in India, maybe when it goes to Europe or to another country, there may be a slight change, be it on the electrical side or on some technical requirement. So that group takes care of this and sees that the same product is transformed into a product that is suitable for that market.
Okay.
So there may not be a major change, but small changes on the electrical side or some safety standards, etc. So that way we are able to manage, and we have separate groups and product lines which take care of this. So it shouldn't be a problem. So we can be able to support even the MSMEs as well as the export market.
So now let's speak about you. You are a person with extensive experience so in product innovation and customer-centric design. So how do you approach identifying the real-world shop floor problems and converting them into the scalable machine tool solutions?
Yeah, the biggest strength of Ace designers, and not only myself, our own team, everybody, we have always the customer-centric approach, where we work very closely with the customers, not on just at the very top management level, etc. We go right up to the shop floor level. And the most important thing is we collect lot of data, and all the data goes into our CRM. So there we try to get a pattern, or how we understand a problem. Is it the shop floor problem common across the product or industry? And then we talk to the customers and work out the solution addressing these shop floor problems. So the biggest problem is working very close with the customers, getting the data and working with them. And biggest advantage we have is we don't have any collaboration. It's our own in-house design team. So we have the complete flexibility and freedom to immediately work out, and the response to the customers are quite fast. And we offer a solution to the shop floor problem. Sometimes may be a very small problem which we give a good solution, or sometimes may be a complicated problem by giving a totally different product. So ultimately the interaction and the data management or the data based decision, that is what is helping us to be giving the right solution.
Yes. So we recently, got the news of amalgamation, right?
Yes.
And you also have received the investments. So what operational or technological synergies are you most excited for leveraging?
One is the first is amalgamation.
Yes, sir.
Certainly these product lines what we have been doing in several companies were done with a very specific need at that time of time. Now that we are all coming together, the synergies are going to really improve in the point of design, in the point of supply chain, from the point of even other support activities, and this will help us to reduce our cost, and also to cross-learn the best practices that each of these companies had, or the products we had. So that synergy is certainly going to come. So this is what the biggest benefit I see in this consolidation, and with the investments coming in, that will also help us to go in a bigger way on the product improvement, on the future requirements of the product.
So now let's speak about ACMEE. We are at ACMEE 2025. So what is special over here at ACMEE 2025?
Ace designers, first from the turning division, we have the compact cost-effective Turnmill Center, which has even the polygon turning facility. Then we have the compact and cost-effective front-loading automation system, which is servo-driven. And then we have die mold machine from Ace Manufacturing, that is now it's called the Missing Center division of ADL. And Taurus, we have a vertical phasing and centering machine, which has been shown for the first time. And similarly, a compact laser machine, and from AMEEs, a very compact 3D machine, which is of 120 cubic size. So these are the 5 new products that we have brought in ACMEE.
We just took a walk through your booth, and what I see is, there's too many people coming in, like the visitors visiting your booth. So what message do you have to give these young engineers who have just passed out, or what would you like to share with them for the future of manufacturing? Any message for them?
Manufacturing is going to grow, like I said earlier, leaps and bounds, and people are looking at India as an alternate to China from the point of manufacturing. So manufacturing is going to become exciting, and especially for machine tools. This is the mother industry for manufacturing. And when we have great products here, we will certainly support the manufacturing that is required in a very big way for the country. And so I would request the young generation to certainly come here. There will be a lot of even advanced learnings in the field of AI, machine learning, IoT, and certainly machine tool is going to be glamorous going forward.
So viewers, that was a truly insightful conversation with Mr. R. Prabhakar, offering a deep dive into not only AceMicromatic Group's evolving strategies, but also the future of smart and sustainable manufacturing in India. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more exclusive conversations, walkthroughs, and innovations from the show floor. Only on Mojo for Industry.